So guys, today we're playing Floppy Bird. And I'm not really good at Floppy Bird. But yeah, I'm not really good. Sometimes I get mad. Nah! It always does this. Oh my god. No. I don't know what's wrong with my tablet. Alright, let's try this. No thanks. Jeez, I hate it when it does this. Jesus. I need somebody to be my square. I feel like I want to break my freaking tablet. I'm getting so mad. Can't even do this. This stupid game. This is suck. This stupid game is pissing me off. Come on, you do this, Daniel. You do this. I almost died. so mad. This bird. I wish I could come up there and beat him up. I'm getting so mad at this stupid game. My eye's itching. I don't want to scratch anything. Bow, bitch! This stupid game, because I have a tablet, but I always does like pictures. Duh. I'm going to try with my left finger. Come on, you can do this, Daniel. I'm so mad. I hate this game. Come on, baby. Come on, baby bird. You can do this, homie. You can do this, homie. You can do this. You can do this. Ah! 32. That's fine. That's fine. That's my best score I never had before. Ooh, almost crashed. I don't want to pass my own score. One more, guys. If I pass my score, I won't end this video. If I don't pass my score, I'm gonna end this video because this pissed me off. This gonna piss me off, and I'm getting so mad. All right, see you guys in my next video.